Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I am super excited to have you here with me today. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be using the Lush braid extensions, and this extension comes in two colors. So it comes in color 1 and color 350. I hope I'm right. So guys, let me give you a backstory regarding these hair extensions, the braiding extensions rather. So I wanted to have two different colors in my braids, and I swear I did not want to go through that stress of getting two colors, picking it to give it that bone straight effect, and the whole stress in general. And so when I went to the market, I was just looking for an extension, a braid extension to get, and then I saw these Lush extensions. I was like, thank God, it made my job easy. If you noticed, it has already been picked to have that bone straight effect, and everything is just ready. All you have to do is just take it out from the pack and use. So I was super excited about that. So I made my braids in layered portions, and what this did was to help the braid have that box-like effect. So what I mean by this is that I made a line. I divided my hair in lines and I followed that line through. This will help your hair, or your braids rather, have that uniformness and look smooth as well. So guys, pay close attention to the steps. So firstly, you want to braid your hair from the root. Braid it about 2 or 3 times, and then you have to start feeding in little portions of your braid to build it up. So this is what I mean. Once you braid your hair, you take little portions of the braid extensions and feed it into your braid. So you can feed it about 4 or 5 times depending on the size of the braids that you want. Yeah, so it's easy for you to go in line by line, so from one end of your ear to the other. So I always make sure to partition the frontal part of my hair so that when I'm braiding, it's quite easy for me to give it that extra detailing, as opposed to just braiding it continuously till I get to that part. So I would know this is the part that I have removed for the front part. I hope that made sense. So let me explain this again. So you're going to braid your natural hair from the root, right? And once you've braided it about 2 or 3 times, now you take in little portions of the braid and start feeding it in. So this is the first braid I'm feeding in. You want to take one strand and put it underneath your thumb, and then you use your index finger to braid it. Take another braid extension, feed it in, put it under your thumb, and hold it down with your index finger and keep braiding. As easy as ABC, right? So I decided to curl the tips of my braids to give it a different look. I'm going to be showing you two ways which you can use to curl your braids. So first, you can use a thread. What you want to do is to use the thread to go around your braids in a loose fashion, and once you get to the end, you're going to draw the thread and then it's going to coil up to get to this fashion. Now this is how your braids are going to get coiled. If you don't want to use this method or you don't have a thread, another method you can use is bendy rollers, which is by far the easiest in my opinion, and that is what I used. So simple, all you have to do is just curl your braids around the bendy roller. That is all. So once you're done coiling the tips of your braids with the bendy rollers, the next step is to dip it in hot water for a minute or two. So right now I've dipped my hair in hot water and I'm just showing you the effect that the bendy rollers did with the hot water. So the next step I did was to condition the tip of my braiding extensions in order for it not to get dry and crusty. So you need to condition it to give it that smooth and silky look. So that is it for this tutorial, guys. If you did enjoy it, please do not forget to like, do not forget to share, and also subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.